In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan out your week using Akiflow. We'll walk through creating a well-organized week that balances productivity with time for yourself. Picture this: a week where you wake up each day knowing exactly what's on your agenda, with time set aside for all your priorities. Sounds ideal, right? Well, let's make that happen. We begin by opening your calendar and setting it to the weekly view. This perspective is your command center, where you can strategically allot time to different activities. By seeing the entire week laid out, you'll get a clearer sense of how to distribute tasks and activities over the days. Next, identify those recurring work commitments, the non-negotiable elements of your schedule. These will be things like fixed meetings or standing appointments that you already have synced from your calendar. It's crucial to reserve blocks in your diary for these obligations so that your schedule accommodates them automatically. Let's not forget daily rituals, the personal cues that frame your day and give it structure, whether that's a morning routine, your lunch break, or winding down at the end of the day. These might seem trivial compared to other commitments, but they are essential for maintaining balance and routine, giving you predictability and calm amidst your busy week. Once you've carved out time for your meetings and rituals, think about your deep work periods. This is when you'll do your most concentrated, focused work. Choose specific times in your week, like 9 o'clock in the morning until 11 o'clock on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and shield this time from distractions. Deep work is where significant progress on complex tasks happens, so treat this time as sacred and powerful. Equally important is scheduling what we call administrivia, all those shallow work tasks that keep the wheels turning but don't require as much focus. Think emails, Slack messages, invoicing, or catching up with your team. By clustering these together in designated slots, say at the start of each day or week, you minimize their interruptive power and prevent them from nibbling away at your more focused hours. Here's a tip. Make these slots recurring, setting them up to repeat every week. This step is vital as it creates a perfect week framework. Your calendar should reflect this recurring pattern, reducing planning fatigue and helping to keep you on track. By doing so, you're laying a foundation that allows you to work towards consistent productivity while also being flexible enough to adjust as needed. And there you have it. A perfectly planned week that ensures you're not just busy, but genuinely productive, with time for everything that matters. With this framework in place, you can approach each week with clarity and assurance. Now it's time for you to put this into practice. Happy planning, and enjoy the newfound order in your week.